Hey y'all, welcome to What's Cooking with Paula Deen. Well, today What's Cooking is I'm trying to get to some more questions that I get from y'all. So we just gonna start right off by making our first call, and I'm calling a lady named Sharon. So I hope she'll answer the phone. I got to get rid of my gum so I can talk. Hello, may I speak with Sharon, please?
This is Sharon.
Sharon, this is Paula Deen. How are you?
Well, I am great. How
Well,
are you?
good. I'm great too. Today I'm taking some time to answer questions that we get on our podcast.
Uh-huh.
So I'm calling you to answer your question.
Well,
Do you
I
remember
was,
what it was?
yes, I do. I was down there on June 19th, which was
Yes,
our anniversary.
yes.
We go
Your
to Savannah every
47th,
year.
your 47th
Yes,
anniversary.
and I'm only 49.
Oh, listen, you and I may share the same birthday.
Well, we share the same birth year.
We do?
Yes,
Oh
ma'am.
my gosh. How's
Yeah.
it been for you?
Well, it's been good. Been good. But my question was, when we were there, you did not have the cream corn.
Yeah.
And I was so disappointed because I
Oh,
could eat a gallon of
I
it.
know. I know. It is
But
so good.
the corn pudding was great.
Yes, yes. That's almost like a corn cake. But
Yes.
we don't have the identical same vegetables every day. So I'm
Uh-huh.
so sorry that we weren't
Well,
serving it the day of your anniversary because I'm with you. But it's one of those foods that we should not eat often.
I know.
Corn. And
I
how
know.
can that be? It's a vegetable. God
Yes.
made that vegetable. How can it not be good for us?
I know that and potatoes.
I know, and potatoes are my weakness, Sharon. I
I
just
know.
love a
I
potato. And
I do
that
too.
cream corn, I'm like you. I could eat a gallon with vine ripe sliced tomatoes and onions.
Uh-huh.
Oh, gosh. Well, I'm so
But
sorry. So you'll just have to come back on your 48th anniversary.
well, we sure will. And
Eh,
I think we did have it in Pigeon Forge.
yes, yes. Isn't Pigeon Forge just great?
Love it. Love it. Love
Um,
Savannah better, but
well, it's like an apple and an orange. Uh,
yes.
but Pigeon Forge, I said every door has some type of entertainment behind it.
Yes.
And
I love it there too.
our grandchildren just love it.
Well,
Well, I
but
am so, so sorry.
well, as long as you still have it sometimes.
Oh, yes, yes. And if you come back to Savannah, you'll just have to call ahead of time and check.
Yes.
And if you request it, they'll cook it.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll tell them you said that I can
Yes,
have it.
yes. But just give them enough time.
Okay, I will.
Don't
I
call
can
them at
do.
11 and
Okay.
say,
Okay.
Paula said to put corn on the menu right now. You get me in trouble.
Oh, well, I don't want to do that. No.
Well, I've enjoyed chatting with you so much, Sharon. Where I don't know, I'm not familiar with the area code. What state you're located
We
in?
are in Elizabethtown, Kentucky, like the movie.
Oh yes, I starred in Elizabethtown.
I know. I know.
What? Not Phil's making fun of me, the producer of these. He said starred. No, I did not star. I was in
Well,
it,
I thought you were the
but I was
star.
no star.
Well, yes, you were.
And that's beautiful area. That's
Yes, it's
beautiful,
nice.
beautiful area. Well, listen,
And
I hope you have a great day, Sharon, and I've enjoyed chatting with you.
well, thank you. And I'll be looking forward for that corn next time.
Okay, dear. Well, thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Starred in a movie. I didn't mean it like that, Phil.
I gotta pick on you.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300. Cream corn, y'all, it's just stupid easy. But you gotta have Silver Queen. I like white silver cream corn. And you just have to grate it. And I've got a corn cutter. It's stainless and you can adjust the blade. But you want to just nip the tops off, and then you want to grate all that juice that comes out of that corn, and you just bake it with butter. That's it. Just bake it and stir it good as it bakes. And it, like I said, it's just stupid easy. The hard part is the grating. Silking the corn, grating it. That's very time consuming and very messy, but very much worth the effort, y'all. I just put it in a dish, an oven-proof dish, y'all, and bake it until it's thick. It'll get thick. Now, my mama used to take fat back and fry it, and then fry the corn in a black skillet on top of the stove. And, of course, it's delicious that way, too. But I think my favorite way is just to bake it with the butter. Nothing else. That's all you need with corn is butter. The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.